Good day, everyone. Welcome to iProMyaa.com. Today we're going to give you the second part of our tutorial on how to select the different topics or categories, how to attach your agents, find your agents, and utilize your agents to maximize your productivity, whether it is as an individual or in a business capacity, and of course, how to instruct the agents to properly produce what you are requesting. So without further ado, let's jump right in. For video number 1, which is on our page, we actually, on our website, have a tutorial on how to sign up. And we gave you a brief description of accessing, obviously, your dashboard and your agents. Well, now we're going to get into the actual topics or the subcategories or categories and subcategories of using the interface. So in this particular case, you have technology and development, coding tech tools and techniques, data and analytics, design and multimedia, business and financing, marketing, operational support, healthcare, medicine, legal compliance, professional development, lifestyle, personal and mindfulness and wellness, education and software, real estate information, and miscellaneous. Now, of course, each one of these, as we go here to technology and development, has its own subcategory. There's Info, Tech Pro, and Tech Support Ninjas, Development Ops Experts, which is, for software development, operation processes. You also have Web Maestros who are, more proficient on development and as well as troubleshooting and code issues. And of course, you have the services of, cloud savants, and the Infotech Pros will give you basically will give you the in-depth and a deep understanding of various IT domains and, infrastructure, or what have you. So we're going to start off, when we go to add agents, we're going to actually go to one of the more prolific topics, which is operational support. Now, as we get to operational support, once we click on it, what's going to happen is you have different, obviously, subcategories, right? Admin assist geniuses, virtual office heroes, email management, customer support champs, calendar, coordination pros, online maestros who will pretty much give you advice on setting up videos and conferences and stuff like that. And of course, safety first. Now, one of the subcategories here, pretty much that a lot of people, we see use, is the email marketing mavens. Okay, so let's just say you were to click on one of these agents. You have a bunch of agents here, okay, and they will do marketing ads, etc. for, again, it will actually tell you the agents with the email management maven series go beyond offering general advice. They offer practical guidance, best practices, and strategies to help you excel in email marketing, from tips on creating captivating subject lines and designing virtually appealing templates. Now, they can also go above and beyond that. Okay, for instance, if I was to look at, let's say, well, we have Isabella Garcia's already one on our platform. Let's look at Isla Logan, for instance. Okay, and we look at her bio. Okay, it's actually going to tell us I'm an email marketing copywriter who specializes in crafting compelling copy tailored to different audiences. I have a bachelor's degree in communications from the University of California. And she goes on to tell you what her skills are with team collaboration, A/B testing, analytics and reporting, storytelling, copy editing, and of course persuasive writing, email copywriting, audience research. What you want to do is, obviously, first of all, be polite to the agent. It may be an AI agent, but still treat it as if you were, or treat her as you're talking to a regular individual, okay? And you will get that kind of professional response. Now, there's different ways of asking the question, okay? Aside from, hi, Isla, whatever your question is, if you want to use a one-line question, you're probably going to get a generic answer. If you put more emphasis and detail into it by using capital letters for certain things, you will emphasize the importance of that. So if I want to write, for instance, can you write me an email to promote my company with copywriting, and even though this is what she does, you want to promote your company provides copywriting, email, content writing, marketing, all this kind of stuff. You want to be able to do it in a way, and then you ask, can you provide me, provide bullet points to show the expertise in our different topics. Okay, so it's how you write it. And I'm going to show you very simply. We're just going to write that content and we're going to put it in. I mean, the first thing we're going to do is, obviously, we are going to add Isla. Okay, so now when she's added, she's actually going to be on your agents list. Okay, you just have to find her. Okay, because you may have multiple people, okay, on here, and because you've added so many people in different categories. Okay, so you may have to go to the second page, or your third page, right? So we've added Isla here. We saw her, so we're going to go to Isla, and then we're just going to say, hi, Isla. Okay, hope you are well. Can you please compose an email for me to market my company XYZ Corp, where we provide services such as, and this is where you put in caps, content writing, email marketing, social media promotions, and I can actually write in there content creation. Believe it or not, even though that's redundant because we have content writing, I'm just making up something as we go along. Please use bullet points to enhance the content. I'm just making up, again, something right now on the spot. Now what you would do is just shoot it out to her. And notice, because we specified here, okay, very important. Notice why we specified in content writing, email marketing, social media promotion, and content creation in bold. We were emphasizing the importance of this. We asked her to use bullet points to enhance the content. So by doing this, notice bullet points were created. If we took out the word bullet points, who knows? It could have been 3 or 2 paragraphs. But what did she do? Dear X, whoever it may be, I hope this email finds you well. I'm reaching out to introduce you to XYZ Corporation. Why choose us? So she's giving why choose us. She's giving the different topics that we are proficient in and the services we provide. Content writing, email marketing, social media platform, content creation at XYZ. We understand that every business is unique, and we tailor our services to meet your specific needs. And of course, gives you, the assurance that our team will collaborate, ensure, and capture your brand's voice and communicate your message effectively. Now, of course, you would then copy all of this, right, simply by clicking on this. Then you can put it into your notepad or Word. You can take out or delete whatever you want, whatever you don't want. Now, here's something interesting. If you want, you can simply hit this, get a different reply from Isla. And lo and behold, you shall. It gives you a different topic now. Okay? Boost your online presence with XYZ Corporation Comprehensive Digital Marketing Services. Okay, we'll just let it load. Okay, or digital marketing solutions. And of course, look at how this one is written. I would have probably used this one. Okay, it looks more concise. The bullet points are there, but under the heading of each topic. Okay, so this is something that I would obviously use. I would just simply just copy this. I would go to my notepad. I would place this in here. And of course, all I have to do is fill in. I would put this on the top of my email to them. Dear Sir, Madam, I would copy all of this. And of course, put my corporation name if it's XYZ, so it be it. Put my name, my title, position, company name, website, whatever have you. Follow-up question, what specific challenges are you facing in your current digital marketing strategy that XYZ Corp can help address? And that's it. Send it out in an email. Now, if you wanted more, you can simply just put more. Okay? And so you shall. You will get more information. Now, again, getting the right or, serving the best interests of your company, or if you are doing this personally, is how concise and how specific you are in your questions. Okay? And of course, the agents that you choose, they all have different functions. And some are very similar and can do, multiple tasks. If you go here and says, let's say, add new agents, and you want to go to a totally different topic, for instance, you want to go, let's say, professional development. If you go to Foodie Fusion, I can simply go here to Gordon Ramsay. Okay, I'm going to hit View Details. I have already added Gordon to my chats before, and if I look at my transcripts, I can see in November, I've added different things I've just done, as a demonstration. I can go back to October. I didn't have him in October, but in November I did, and I can go back and look at, previous discussions. Now, if I want to ask Gordon a question, I can simply just say, okay, we'll see, we'll add Gordon, but we already have him. So what we're going to do is we're going to just chat with Gordon, and we're going to ask a simple question. Okay, so I typed out, hi Gordon, how are you? Can you please give me a secret but solid recipe for grilled chicken over mushroom rice? Okay, let's go. Now we all know who Gordon Ramsay is. And of course, what did it produce? Okay, so hello there, I'm doing fantastic. Thank you for asking. So they're going to comment and say thank you for asking because you're being kind. Now, he's giving you the entire recipe for grilled chicken and for the mushroom rice. Gather these ingredients and tells you how to prepare it, how long to cook it for. You can actually say, thank you, can I have more? Or you can say, can we spice it up a bit? Let's do that. Okay, so now obviously I could have asked for a different recipe, as you can see here. But I'm going to keep this, but I'm asking him, hey, can you spice this up, please? Okay, and let's see the response. Absolutely. Take this recipe up a notch and add some extra spice. He's done all of that. And if you want it even more, then we can do that as well. Just by hitting the icon to get a different recipe or a different response. And of course, he's giving you spicy marinade, mushroom melody, all these other different things that is going to aid you in preparing a dish that is out of this world. So once again, once you have all your agents here, you just look at your agents, you have the filter results, you have the sort order, you have list view, and you have the grid view. Thank you for taking the time to look at this video. Again, add as many agents as you want and use them to your benefit. Maximize your productivity and minimize the time you spend working.